Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Your phone runs Android 8. 0 or newer, location and network access are on, and you accept system prompts. First, open Settings and type Earthquake or Emergency Alerts in the search bar. This takes you straight to the feature. Tap the Emergency or Earthquake Alerts entry, then toggle the master switch on. This is the immediate action that allows alerts to come through. Once done, make sure location services are active so the system can target warnings for your area. Next, focus on the detailed configuration. Enable the specific earthquake alerts option, and if present, a severe earthquake or higher priority toggle. You want sound and vibration enabled, so tap Sound Settings, choose a loud tone, and ensure vibration is active. This ensures you wake during a quake. Also enable lock screen visibility so alerts display immediately. Finally, inspect any manufacturer or carrier emergency app for regional thresholds and a test alert. These refine how to finish. Restart your phone so all settings take effect. Then trigger a test alert if the system or OEM app offers one. This verifies delivery. If you don't receive tests, check Do Not Disturb rules and make sure emergency alerts are exempted. Also confirm the OS and any emergency app are up to date. Outdated components can block alerts. If problems persist, contact your carrier or device maker, report region, model, and test times so they can diagnose network or configuration issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.